Today we make cheese omelet, just like they do in your breakfast restaurants. First, crack these, put them in there. Second, stir that up. That's good enough, doesn't have to be perfect. Heat up a frying pan and pour some sort of oil or butter or whatever the hell you want in it. And then make that hot. You guessed it right, pour the eggs in that crap. And then you want to give that time to kind of harden and cook down a little. Spread it out so it cooks as evenly as possible. And then you want to try to loosen it from the bottom of the pan through the outside edges. I recommend plastic. Okay, now that the whole thing can move and it's loose, look at my other videos for how to do these flips. Once you have her turned over, again, don't have to be perfect. After that, then you put your cheese in there. Whatever type you choose. This is sharp cheddar, but it doesn't matter. It's all cheese. I'm gonna put some mozzarella in this too. Move it from the heat. And don't forget your sprinkles. You gotta put that on top too. And then let that melt. Three-egg cheese omelet. Put hot sauce on it or your nuts. That's just anything made out of eggs. And that's that.